Hello, everyone. Long time no video. I've missed you so much, and I hope you had a fantastic wrap up to your 2019. So I'm here. I'm back. I'm putting up videos, and I'm actually really excited because even though I was gone for almost all of 2019, I was still kind of posting some stuff on Instagram, but life was just taking over absolutely everything, right? So I had gotten the promotion at the beginning of the year. I got married, and then just life was just taking over absolutely everything. But not to worry, I'm back and I have a bunch of videos and I have a bunch of videos to edit, and there's so much going on. But to be honest, as we're going into 2020, I'm like so excited to just be back, be speaking with you again, and all the bells and whistles of making videos again. So please stick around. If you are not having the little bell thing for your notifications when videos come out from me, please turn that on because I'll be posting regularly again. And I hope your 2020 is going to be as exciting as mine. I'll chat with you soon. Bye.